Have you ever stopped to ponder just how important your health is to your overall well-being? It's not just about being free from illness or injury. It's about waking up each day with vitality, ready to take on whatever comes your way. It's about having the energy to chase your dreams, the strength to overcome obstacles, and the resilience to bounce back from setbacks. Good health is the foundation upon which we build a productive and joyful life. It's the key that unlocks our potential and allows us to live our lives to the fullest. It's the fuel that powers our bodies, sharpens our minds, and nurtures our spirits. It's the gift that keeps on giving, adding years to our lives and life to our years. So let's take a moment to appreciate the importance of good health. Let's strive to protect it, enhance it, and celebrate it. In the next few minutes, you will discover a comprehensive guide on how to maintain your health. Step 1 to maintaining health is regular exercise. A consistent exercise routine packs a punch of benefits that go beyond just helping you to fit into your favorite pair of jeans. It's a key player in boosting cardiovascular health, which keeps your heart strong and pumping efficiently. Exercise also has the power to lift your mood, acting as a natural antidepressant. It releases endorphins, the body's feel-good hormones, and helps combat feelings of stress and anxiety, making you feel happier and more relaxed. When it comes to weight control, regular exercise can be your best ally. It helps to burn calories and build muscle, assisting in maintaining a healthy weight. Health experts recommend at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous activity per week to reap these benefits. Remember, exercise is not just about losing weight, it's about staying healthy. Step 2 is the adoption of a balanced diet. Now, when we say balanced diet, we mean a variety of foods in the right proportions. This should include a colorful array of fruits and vegetables, lean proteins like chicken and fish, and whole grains like quinoa and brown rice. These foods are packed with essential vitamins and minerals that keep our bodies functioning at their best. But it's not just about what you should eat, it's also about what you should limit. Processed foods, those high in sugar and unhealthy fats, often contain empty calories and lack nutritional value. They might taste good, but they're not doing your body any favors. Remember, it's all about balance. You don't have to completely eliminate your favorite treats, but moderation is key. It's okay to indulge in a piece of chocolate cake now and then, as long as your overall diet is healthy. A healthy diet is not about strict limitations, it's about fueling your body with the right nutrients. Step 3 is regular health checkups. Now let's delve into why these are crucial for maintaining good health. Regular health checkups play a significant role in our lives. They are like our body's own early warning system, a preventive measure that can catch potential health issues before they become serious problems. For instance, regular screenings for blood pressure and cholesterol levels can provide valuable insights into our heart health. They can alert us to issues like hypertension or high cholesterol, which if left unchecked, could lead to heart disease. Similarly, regular cancer screenings can save lives. They can detect cancer in its early stages when it's most treatable. So, consider regular checkups a part of your health maintenance routine. Just like you would service your car regularly to keep it running smoothly, your body needs the same attention and care. Regular checkups help you stay on top of your health and catch potential issues early. Step 4 is taking care of your mental health. Often overlooked, mental health is just as critical as physical health when it comes to maintaining overall well-being. Mental health includes our emotional, psychological, and social well-being. It affects how we think, feel, and act, playing a significant role in handling stress, relating to others, and making decisions. To ensure robust mental health, let's consider a few strategies. Stress management is a must. Engage in activities that you enjoy and find relaxing. Regular physical exercise can help reduce stress levels too. Getting enough sleep is essential. Your mind needs time to rest and rejuvenate, just like your body. Lastly, never hesitate to seek help when needed. If you're feeling overwhelmed or struggling emotionally, reach out to mental health professionals. They're equipped to provide the support and tools you need to navigate through the tough times. Just as we take care of our bodies, we must also take care of our minds. We've covered a lot today, so let's summarize the key points. First up, we talked about the significance of regular exercise. It's not just about getting those muscles toned or that waistline trimmed down. Exercise plays a pivotal role in maintaining our overall health. It boosts our immune system, improves our cardiovascular health, and reduces the risk of many diseases. Whether it's a brisk walk in the park, a heart-pounding run, or a peaceful yoga session, make sure to incorporate physical activity into your everyday routine. Next, we delved into the world of balanced diets. Remember, you are what you eat. Consuming a variety of foods, rich in essential nutrients, is crucial for our body to function properly. From fruits and vegetables to lean meats and whole grains, every food group plays a unique and important role. So don't shy away from that colorful salad or that hearty bowl of oatmeal. They're not just delicious, they're also your ticket to a healthier you. We then shifted gears and discussed the importance of regular checkups. Early detection is often the key to successful treatment. Regular health screenings can help identify potential issues before they become serious problems. So, don't wait until you're feeling unwell. Schedule those checkups and keep a tab on your health status. Finally, we touched upon the often overlooked but equally important aspect of health: mental well-being. A sound mind resides in a sound body, they say, and it couldn't be truer. Engage in activities that nourish your mind. Practice mindfulness, pursue a hobby, or simply take a moment to breathe and savor the beauty around you. Mental health is as important as physical health, and it's high time we started treating it that way. Remember, maintaining health is not a destination but a journey. Stay healthy, stay happy,